Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
You are the one to decide. You should already ever pay, ever for ya. So by that, what you want to
Hi guys, I've come with another gist. Yes, it's about money this time around. And guess what? Who is in the news? Is this dancing senator. Yes, Osun State governorship aspirant, that is Senator Ademola Adeleke. Do you know what? It tells voters that people don't worry. If it is about money, I have come with money for you. Not just Naira, I come with dollars, I come with pounds, I come with euros. Yes, it was even panting his pocket like this and telling them, if it is about money, forget it. I have come with money. Senator Adeleke says this in Yoruba. In Yoruba, like, not just Naira, dollar, pounds, euro. Fire for fire. That's what he tells his audience. And you know people now. Hey, when people hear money, hey. That's it about, guys. You can watch the video.
Fire.